On to the top national stories that we're tracking over here. The Uttarakhand police today arrested BJP MLA Ganesh Joshi, accused of assaulting the police horse Shaktiman. The arrest comes a day after the horse's hind leg was amputated to save its life. The MLA from Mussoorie led a protest march in which he and his associates were seen attacking the horse, which had a cop mounted on it. Joshi was arrested outside a hotel in Patel Nagar area based on an FIR against him and his associates. The BJP workers have lodged a complaint with the state governor KK Paul alleging abduction by the police. His family has also cried foul as Joshi was sent to judicial custody.
मुझे इसमें कोई सरप्राइज नहीं हुआ कि उनकी गिरफ्तारी हुई, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से पिछले 4 दिनों से ये सरकार एक तरफा प्रचार कर रही है, लीगली जो लॉ ने कोर्स लेना था वो लेगा ही उनकी गिरफ्तारी, लेकिन हमें बिल्कुल भी चिंता नहीं है क्योंकि हमें पता है कि वो बिल्कुल निर्दोष हैं। बहुत सारी मीडिया क्लिप्स जो बहुत सारे लोगों ने शेयर किए हैं उसमें साफ साबित हो रहा है कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम में उनका कोई दोष नहीं था। इसमें मुझे लगता है पुलिस का कोई दोष नहीं है, सरकार के दबाव में आकर ये एक्शन लिया गया है। और जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी कहा कि हमारे संविधान का इस तरह से अगर उल्लंघन हो रहा है, हमारी डेमोक्रेसी की हत्या हो रही है कि एक इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को, जिनको जनता ने उस कुर्सी पर बिठाया है, उनके साथ अगर इस तरह का व्यवहार हो सकता है तो आप सोचिए कि आम आदमी की इस प्रदेश में क्या हालत होगी।
आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर मिसेज मेनका गांधी, who is very sensitive on the issue of the cruelty on the animals. I don't know where she is nowadays.
I think this is the most despicable thing politicians could do, and I think all political parties, something that cruelty towards animals and the kind of thing that we've seen, and I think all political parties, and I think BJP should rise above petty politics like this and actually condemn anyone doing something.
Meet Shaktiman, the 14-year-old police horse who has served the Uttarakhand police for around 10 years. He was brought from Maharaja Ranjit Singh Academy where he was trained. And he has also featured in many of those posters which were made to show the achievements of Guardians of Himalayas. But look what has been done by BJP leader and his workers to him, that the doctors has finally to amputate his leg. Now panel of doctors are taking care of him, but it's very unlikely that he'll be able to run like he used to do previously. With video journalist Amit Balwar, Priyank Tripathi in Dehradun for Times Now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at @etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.